Namaste one and all. Myself, I'm Leela. Today, let's know some life skills which are important to our life. So, before getting into the video, if you like this video, please subscribe and share to your near and dear. And why the late? Let's get into the video. So, first of all, what are life skills? The life skills are nothing but the things which are needed to implement in our life. That is called life skills. And next, what are the two types of life skills? First one is educational management and second is personality development. So, first we will know for the students because even I'm a student, so I should also implement that educational management tricks in my student life also. So, let's start with educational management. Number one, lack of interest in studies. There are many topics, but why I have choose this topic because many of us we won't have interest on studies. We have interest on other things, other unnecessary things. Due to this, we lose the golden future of us. So now let's today know about lack of interest, causes, problems, and losses, and how to overcome this. So the first, what is lack of interest? The person means he or she may have no interest on the study. Whatever may be the reason, the ultimate loser is us only. Even whatever may be the reason, he or she may lose the golden future. So, everybody should know that we have to make the interest in studies. If we don't have also, we should make. You all want your future to be golden, then make the interest on your studies because without study, nothing is there. So, now let's know the causes. The causes are the one and the main is a lack of a proper goal. What is this lack of a proper goal? The lack of a proper goal means when we come to the stage of degree and when we come to the stage of choosing the job or when we come to the stage of choosing whether we have to do MBBS or IIT course, we won't get an correct agreement. Means what we have to choose. What will become in the future if I choose this? What will become if I choose that? What will become? The unwanted questions comes in the mind and we won't have a proper goal. This makes students or the colleges an inability. What is this inability? In which we don't have the courage enough to do anything. We think that what happens, the one question what happens may lead your life in another way. So what is this what happens question? See, some of the friends of us or teachers of us or relatives may discourage and not encourage us due to they have jealous and envy and lust on us. This lets us to go in another way but not to them. So only the one and the loser is us only. So prepare a proper goal. So next one is more than one goal. More than one goal is right, but we have to know that how to keep a proper goal at a proper time. Because when we have a proper timing to everything, then we can do more than one goal also. See, suppose now this time is for playing, this time is for studying, this time is for eating, then even our mind is fixed for that, then really we can become successful people in the life. So next one is what means disliking the course and disliking the subject. What is this disliking? Disliking means not liking the subject. Because we won't like the subject or the teacher, we won't open the book because we don't like them. What is there with them? Because they just teach and go. But we should implement that. But don't think that they will teach and go. They also have a lot of hard work. We should not think like that because they are our teachers and our gurus. So never think like that. We should not even dislike them. because they do a lot of hard work for our success. Remember that. Then you will not dislike anybody in this world. So next, inferiority complex. What is this inferiority complex? In which we get the inability, unencouragement. In this full lack of interest in studies, the two main things are inability and unencouragement. See, everybody encourages the first person, but nobody thinks about the third person because everybody supports the first only. But one day the third will become first and first will become last, means again they will go to first position only because everybody likes the first. But remember friends, if you become failure also, the one day when you become successful, the people will salute you. So every time don't lose the hope. Hopes are the only one ability to grow more in the future. So next is a school college environment. What is a school college environment? When we have a peaceful environment. Nowadays, schools and colleges are going to be like only one apartment type. Then how can the children grow? Because school means the environment, and the children should grow and their mind should be peaceful. The sunlight should come. When the sunlight comes, our brain will become reactivated and we get more. But now in this corona pandemic situation, in home, aramse we are sitting and learning. But now if we get lack of interest, that's really wrong. The wrong is in students only. Now we should not get, because teachers are doing hard work and our parents also are doing hard work. We are aramse sitting in the home and learning everything. Then why should we get lack of interest in the studies? We should not get, right? So now we should not think about environment, because parents kept, when we are with parents, the environment is only beautiful. When their love is with us, the environment is beautiful. So next is homesickness. Why this homesickness comes? When we go to new school or new hostel, or when we go to new hostel, mainly hostel. Because when we go to hostel, 1 month or 2 months we leave the studies and be on crying. We should not do like that, because parents have keeping us to hostel means only for the growth of the future of us only. Whatever they do, for us only. So never think of homesickness, because in hostel or everything we get more friends, right? We all like friends. Even I like friends. So never think about homesickness. Homesickness will make us more inability, that I can't do this without my mother, I can't do this without my father. Like that we get inability and we get lack of interest in studies. There are many. Last one is lack of confidence and lack of concentration. What is this lack of concentration and lack of confidence? The main two things. Because lack of concentration leads us to discourageness. Because lack of concentration, we can't keep concentration and say, I can't do this. The word I can't do this should be removed from the life. Because I can do this is a positive energy, I can't do this is a negative. So every time try to be positive, then all the world is positive for you. And what is this confidence? This confidence is nothing but the ability that I can do. In this full lack of interest in studies, the only one keyword is I can do. Daily say that I can do. In any moment of your life, you can do. So now let's know what are the overcomes of the problems. So now let's go to solve these problems. First but not least, is to set the proper goal. What is this proper goal setting? See, in everything I will say one only thing, that set a proper goal. That you should have from first think that I should become this, I should become this. You have that idea, but the inability from your relatives or friends maybe discourage you to not become that. But your life is your wish. So think what you do and do the correct one. Okay? The next one, think about your parents, because the parents are only the one. Sorry, 1 second. Think about your parents as well as think about your teachers. Why? Why we should only think about our parents? Parents only, right? Because teachers just teach us. No, the two persons who helped us to become this much successful is the parents and teachers. Parents put their hard work, teacher put their hard work, we put our result. That's it. The result becomes successful. So remember the two people who helped you a lot, that are parents and teachers. Don't forget them throughout your life. So next one is the time value. What is the time value? Every time elders say that time is very precious. We think time is very precious. Wow, what is this? Even I thought, why is time precious? Then one day I understood, when we don't have any timetable, any time management, we only get losers. Because what is this time management, time sense, and what is this time value? We have to keep a timetable because we should know the correct value of the time. Value of the time means nothing but we have to understand, because never time stops for us. Anytime time stopped for you, no, right? Time goes on its way. Even we should run on the time's way. Never say that I don't have time, because if we say I don't have time, we won't do anything. But remember that in the student life, we should know that timetable is more important. So next one is, what means we should understand the proper life, means what is this life value? Why I should know what is this life value? This life value is dedicated to the parents, teachers, and ourselves and our family, because they all the hard work. In any aspect, we should understand the hard work of the parents and teachers and ourselves. Never miss ourselves, because we are the only one who help ourselves. So every time understand the life value. Life is also so precious. Life and time are the two main things in our life only, because life and time has their own greatness, because the two are only the components in which we should use and utilize them. So they both are precious. Next, this is a short question for you. You have listened this whole topic. Then, if you understand, see me, think. If your father did the same, that not having the lack of interest, then what might be your family condition? So now, when we say about father, we will get the answer, because our father is the one only one who runs the family. So every time know, if the father only does not do anything or does not keep interest on his job or in his studies, what might be our condition? Not family, first our condition. We will not get gifts, we won't get good dress, we won't get nice things, even we won't get study. So understand the value of your father kept, then you will get the same value. So here I end this topic. Hope you understand this topic. Lack of interest. I once again repeat the only one thing, the ultimate loser if we won't have the if we won't have the interest in studies is us only. Friends, we like to become very great in the future means, then think about the interest in the studies. If interest is there, future is yours. So here I take the leave, and please subscribe eMentors Academy and share to your near and dear, and don't forget to click the bell icon for getting more notification. Please support eMentors Academy. Thank you and tomorrow let's meet with another life skill.